How to create a course on Wix. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a course on Wix. So let's get started. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the left hand side and click on the app market. It's usually the fifth icon from the top. Once it opens, go to the Sell Online category and select Online Courses. You'll now see an app called Wix Online Programs. This app is designed for building and selling multi-step programs and courses. Click Add to Site and give it a moment to integrate. Once the app is added, you'll see a few sample programs appear on your screen. Don't worry, these are just templates. Click on Manage Programs to enter the main dashboard. You can delete anything you don't need here. To begin creating your own course, click on Get Started. When asked what type of program you want to create, choose Online Course, then click Next. You'll have the option to either start from scratch or use one of Wix's pre-built templates like Healthy Baking Basics or How to Create a Business Plan. For this example, we'll start from scratch. Let's name our course. I'll go with something simple like Digital Marketing Course and then click Next. Now you'll choose how the course will be delivered. You can make it self-paced, where learners progress at their own speed, or schedule-based, where content is unlocked on specific dates. I'll go with self-paced for flexibility. You'll also see an option to set a time limit for course completion. If you want to give your participants unlimited access, leave it blank. I'll leave it open-ended for now and hit Let's Go. Next, you'll be taken to the course builder where you can customize the title, thumbnail image, course description, and any instructions for your students. Just click Edit to update each section as needed. Once that's set, we'll adjust the visibility and pricing. Click into the visibility settings and make sure your course is set to public. Then click on Price and select Pay to join if you plan to monetize it. You can choose between a one-time payment or a subscription plan. You can also enable automatic invoicing from here. You'll also have the option to limit the number of participants, but I'll leave it set to unlimited so anyone can join. Click Save Wix also gives you some bonus options like adding rewards or linking to private groups if you want to build a community around your course. When it comes to adding course content, you can use Wix's built-in AI tools to generate ideas or manually build the course structure. You can add sections, steps, or even import steps from sample programs or existing courses you've built. Once your content is ready and everything looks good, hit publish. Your course will now appear live on your website and people will be able to view and enroll. Just make sure your site is upgraded to a premium plan to accept payments. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.